happy to be hanging out with you again. It's such a good day. I am wearing my Halloween sweater. It makes me laugh because it's like a Christmas ugly sweater, but it's like for Halloween. For Halloween. What is happening? So I wanted to take you on my day. I want to decorate for Halloween, the few things that I can do, because my house is still under a lot of construction. So guys, I don't know how much I've shown of this. We have countertops, not all the countertops, but we have two sections of the countertops where the sink is, and then over here, I think I have shown you the sink section, but we just did this one last night. It looks so good. So today I have some errands I need to run as well. I don't know if we're gonna go anywhere. Errands? I don't need to go anywhere. We're not running errands. I just meant we have some chores to do. So I have like laundry I need to turn over. I have a whole list of things that I need to look at on my phone. So we're going to decorate a little bit for Halloween. That's a little bit later though. I'll do that when Dan's sleeping so that it's a little easier. There's just some chores that I can't do when he's sleeping, and there's some chores that I can't do when he's awake. So I have a patch of wall that's just down the hall. That's why I'm pointing that way. It's just down the stairwell, and it's a little patch of wall that I need to touch up. And then I need to do dishes. And then I have all of the drawers in my kitchen, and I want to clean all of the drawers out that have countertop on top of them, and just make sure that they're like rolling good and stuff, because I put the drawers in myself, so there's definitely room for error on that department. I need to take all of the drawers out of the island and stack them on the new countertop. Yay! Have any use for it. And stack them on the new countertop so that I can clean out those bases and also move things around, and then so we can also put the countertop on top later tonight. We have someone coming to help Devin put that countertop on, so I'm getting excited to have all like the main pieces of countertop. It just says clean up where you can, Lindsay, because you're not perfect, but things can get better than they are. It doesn't say that, but that's what I said in my head when I read it. It just says clean up where you can. So yeah. Let's get into today. It's not, I mean, it's just me doing chores, but hopefully it motivates you to get stuff done around your house that needs to be done. Little things. This morning I caulked like behind my bathroom sink and stuff, just because it's been on my list for 10 years. And I was gonna, not 10 years, but like since I finished the bathroom, which was a few months ago, right before we did this project. That was like my little test project. I don't know if I've shown you my bathroom. It's actually pretty cute. I don't know how clean it is right now. Well, I know it's clean, but like I don't know how like good it is. You have been in my bathroom because I did like a little clean with me in my bathroom, but you didn't really see all the little finishing touches. So this is what I did. I painted the walls this like sea foam minty green. It's very pretty. I don't know if you can tell how pretty it is on camera, but I went with like a minty green, and then I kind of transferred the green feeling and the black, stark black feeling into the kitchen area. I feel like this room is more cool tones though, is the only thing. So maybe one day I might change that, because I'm really liking warm tones more. But this is some artwork my sister did. So I used these and some Dollar Tree frames because that was my budget. I used some Dollar Tree frames just to put them in, and I even custom did this one with some contact paper to make it look a little fancier. And then I just hung these. There was a towel rod here, but the towel rod never fit. It would like always fall down. It was weird. Anyway, I didn't do anything to the tub except I added this. I need to get a new shower curtain rod. That is on the list of millions of other things that I need to get. And then I painted like the hardware and stuff black. I didn't do anything to the vanity. I thought it looked fine the way it is. Doesn't matter. Painted this black, and the light fixture was painted black as well. And then my favorite part, well, I don't know if it's my favorite, but I do like it. Yes, I have a sign in here that says fart zone, don't worry about it. And then I use the same contact paper on the back of this built-in cabinet, just on these 2 top shelves. So there's 2 shelves up top and then a bunch of shelves down bottom. You just don't even see the back on those, so it doesn't really matter. I just wanted it on these 2. This is where we keep all our toothbrush and toothpaste. Needs to be organized a little bit, but it works out. It was very white and boring. Oh, I also textured the ceiling myself because it was a flat ceiling and it would always pool water on the ceiling after like anyone showered. So I painted it, I spackled it. So like I used putty and I textured it myself, and then I painted the ceiling with a semi-gloss. Yeah, so what was the first thing on my list? Decorating? No, I'm waiting till Dan's asleep to do that. What about dishes? Dan is just hanging out in here playing with his toys. So fun. Let's do dishes.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Let's go see him. Let's go hang out with the little boy. He's cute. He's the cutest. He's watching Thomas the Train right now. I needed a little bit of me time. Not me time, but like doing stuff time. Can you say hi?
It's off.
It's off.
Yes.
Do you want to go outside?
Yes.
Okay, let me get some shoes on and we'll go outside, okay? You want to go outside? Hi! Did you just say hi to everybody? Oh. Does your doggy say woof, 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 woof? Ah! 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 silly. Hi. Guys, I got a package. I'm so excited. Dan's napping now. He was really tired after lunch, so I put him down for a nap. And then I got a package and I'm really excited about it. So I think it was in my last video, or maybe 2 videos ago. Can't remember. I think it was my last video. But I mentioned that I might get a camera battery for my camera, because this camera always, like, the battery dies really quickly. So I got a new battery and I'm really excited. I mentioned it because I was like, oh, if I get birthday money, because my birthday is actually this upcoming Monday, and I was like, oh, if I get birthday money, then I'll buy one. And I actually ended up getting some birthday money, so I don't need the instructions. I know how this works. Test. Yay! It's charging. So if this battery dies while I'm doing this, I'll have a second one. I started working on, like, kind of maneuvering around the kitchen cabinets. Well, a little bit, but I haven't gotten the drawers out, so I can't actually move anything. I was on the phone with my sister while I was kind of working on that, and after Dan went to bed and everything, me and my sister like to talk sometimes. And so, yeah, so I've been working on that. So I need these are the handles, just to put them on the actual drawer so I can make sure that it's not gonna, like, get stuck when we put the face on, or when we put the drawer handle on, so that we can actually, like, move the drawers in and out. I'm gonna insert a picture here that haunts my dreams. Just, you know, makes me feel like I might mess it up. And so I've been like, this picture has been in my mind for like 2 months, and it's pretty silly, but it's also like cautionary tale, you know? I think there's 9 drawers right here. I'm gonna get these 9 drawers out, put them on the counter over here, so that we can, well, I'm gonna clean them out as I go, just because that way I don't have to clean them out later. And then I'll try and position this. Hopefully once the drawers are all out, I can move it. We'll see. Might be too heavy still.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just gotta knock some vibes. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back
That
at
was probably the biggest thing I wanted to do. But I keep seeing my shirt, and I keep seeing this pumpkin pie candle. It smells really good. I just got it at Walmart for like $3. Not a bad price for a candle, if you ask me. So we're gonna patch up the wall. It's just down here. If you can see, it's right there. We had to cut into there to be able to get into this. So we just have to patch that up. They have drywall in them. I just need to put some putty and tape around them and just start the process.
this summer night.
I have my Halloween decorations in our laundry room slash like utility room. So I'm not gonna put very much out. I'm just gonna do my outside decorations. And I have a couple tombstones. I found this little chalkboard pumpkin. Cute. So what I want is in this box. I just wanted to add a little bit of festivity. I love Halloween. I have been collecting Halloween decorations since I was probably like 13. So it's been a long time. I mean, I've gotten rid of a ton that don't really work for what I want anymore, but definitely love Halloween. I had a video, I don't think I showed last year putting up the decorations, but I definitely showed taking them down. So if you guys wanted to see more of what my decorations are, you can watch that video from last year. I'll have it linked below if I can find it. I will definitely be doing some Christmas decorating and I'm excited for that with the new setup for my kitchen. And last year it was really pretty. I think I did a good job, but it definitely, I just didn't love the way my house was set up to be able to decorate for. So I'm excited this year. I'm just gonna put out these few decorations. We'll see how it looks. And yeah, so I'm gonna take these upstairs and we'll show you in just a minute. And 5 seconds later, probably 5 minutes, I have some decorations. This I just hung up with duct tape, don't worry about it. It's what I had. and then I have these little tombstones, and I found the hands that go with this one. They're just like little zombie hands. And then I have these little ghosties that I just hang right there. Next year I might hang them all in this bush. We'll see. I haven't decided. And then enter if you dare. Oh, and I put my little Hocus Pocus pumpkin right here next to my sink with my candle. Not a ton of decorating, but enough that it makes me feel better about being in a renovation during Halloween. I love Halloween. I thought we'd be done by now, but alas, we are not. So that's my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below anything that you guys want to see from me in the future. See what's coming next. I have a lot of videos coming and I'm really excited about them. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I love you.